This remedy will fix your bad breath from stomach. Some people are convinced they have bad breath with their breath is completely neutral. Others have terrible breath and don't know it. It can be hard to smell your own breath, let alone judge its odor. Your bad breath could be related to the excess acid produced by your digestive tract. Before I start the video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative content. So, the first ingredient that you will need for this remedy is fennel seed. Fennel seeds not only help in the secretion of saliva by dry mouth, they also burst the bacteria that give breath that nasty smell. Ditto for cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. The second ingredient is cardamom. Cardamom is often used to treat bad breath and is a component of some chewing gums. This is because cardamom might be able to kill common mouth bacteria and prevent cavities. Now add 2 cardamom. The last and very important ingredient of this remedy is cinnamon. Cinnamon consists of essential oil called cinnamic aldehyde, which helps fight bad breath by reducing the number of bad bacteria in the mouth. Make a cinnamon mouthwash by adding a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a cup of boiling water. Mix in some bay leaf and cardamom seeds. Add just 1 pinch of cinnamon. Now grind all the ingredients and make powder of it. Chew a pinch of this mixture after every meal. Follow with a glass of water. Hope you like this video. For more amazing content, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.